I'm riding super slow, sipping foes, and as I go golden, maintaining my focus, because I'm a player, man, and I've been on it. You know I'm about my paper, man. This money only. I'm riding super slow and sipping on the foes and slamming, get it dosing. My rides are still frozen, because I'm a player, man, and I've been on it. You know I'm about my paper, man. This money only.
It's equal pleasing, temperature cohesion. Out the door at 3 recent, ain't even at my peak. I fly out for the weekend, grain gripping this Trill vision sequence. I'm ecstatic. I duck off in my Asiatic palace, the altitude Atlantis. We outlawing you dime baggers, strictly ounces and havers. You can die in these hoes that never had us. OG double dragon, crumble careless. I'm a young king, just trying to produce some errors. Pass my shit down, no look like a team of baby magics. Big, strong, pure talent. I rock and roll the 6 samples. What's the difference if the mirror ain't looking at you? Steady will control your section like a motherfucking captain. These snakes in the grass is really niggas that's really average. Consistent counting change, cutting slices, feeling American. Craftily, I'm smarter. Crispy addicts, filling my gas and then I slaughter.
I'm riding super slow, sipping foes, and as I go golden, maintaining my focus, because I'm a player, man, and I've been on it. You know I'm about my paper, man. This money only. I'm riding super slow and sipping on the foes and slamming, get it dosing. My rides are still frozen, because I'm a player, man, and I've been on it. You know I'm about my paper, man. This money only.
Yeah, I got that money on my mind right now. That's all I can see. Now I'm stacking all my chips. Yeah, having dreams of getting rich. Okay. Then waking up with a bad chick wearing Abercrombie and Finch.
Oh yeah.
No flavor, she's so delicious. But watch your main girl so malicious. She wanna know if that's my car. Girl, shut your mouth and just mind your business. She know I do my thing. Yeah, and you know I'm a player, man. Yeah. They say something never change. Yeah, don't hate the player, hate the game.
Talk shit and you'll get dealt with. Rick Flair, who do you think you fucking with? Tricky finger, Chuck Norris kid. Know you heard the stories. Went from fame to faded glory. Now I grind the grips of Sequoias. Smoking leather wood, it feels good. Need some Maxima to the Acura. Crash the Benz in 89, feeling fine and dandy. Catch me over at G-Style, Cedar Grove blend. Custom made deluxe edition, barber name hand. I spit to see my niggas smile while I'm holding Grammys. Candyland, Battle X, Swanger. Belafontez bring the damn anguish. Microphone Hannibal, strategically calculated over these damn seasons. Cocoa butter, cream, callous, polished, chrome handlers. Microphone mandible. I'm riding super slow, sipping foes, and as I go golden, maintaining my focus, because I'm a player, man, and I've been on it. You know I'm about my paper, man. This money only. I'm riding super slow and sipping on the foes and slamming, get it dosing. My rides are still frozen, because I'm a player, man, and I've been on it. You know I'm about my paper, man. This money only.